It's a nice warm day here in San Antonio, Texas, and we're going to take a look at a property that is for rent located at 11726 Indian Camp. We'll swing around here. This is a fairly new subdivision. This house was built in 2015. Down there's the end of the road, the cul-de-sac. This is a one-story, but it is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. We're going to go take a look at this property. Square footage approximately 1,709. It's got a nice long entry here. We're going to walk this way back and look back here. You have one bedroom up here at the front. It's carpeted. This house is ceramic tile and carpet. Look at the closet here. Across the hall is the garage. It's a 2-car garage with a garage door opener. We'll look at the kitchen here in a second. Here, again, is 2 more bedrooms. The bedroom up front we looked at was approximately 10 by 11. These two here, approximate size 11 by 11 each. They both have fans, and as I said, they are carpeted. And in between these two, you're going to have second bathroom. Master's going to be at the back, and we'll take a look at that in a second. Right now we're in the kitchen. Dining and kitchen, living here, all open floor plan. It does have a nice island here. You can put some bar stools right there. Have a little breakfast bar. Dining table goes there, and your living area there in the distance. We'll walk to the dining area here, into the living, and look back here. Back here, as I said, is the master. Right here before you go in is the laundry room. Master bedroom, approximate size 14 by 13. It also has a fan. It's carpeted. We're going to go into the tiled master bath here. Going to have a double vanity. Through that door is a toilet, so it has its own little room, little space. Your choice of shower or bath. Nice garden tub. Into the closet back here. Let me see if I can get a picture here without getting myself in the mirror there. Last but not least is the backyard. It's a good sized backyard. It does have a covered patio and a deck built on there. We'll walk out here in the yard and take a look at this. So this property is managed by Liberty Management. You can always visit them at 7217 Bandera Road. Or you can call them at 210-681-8080. You can also call Mark Fee about this property. His phone number is 210-618-9161. As I said, this is 11726 Indian Camp. This is in Seal subdivision, or you might say Sealy. It's spelled S-E-A-L-E. People pronounce it different ways. It's in Northside ISD. It's also off Emery Peak, which is out by Marbach. It's close to 90 Petrenko Road. They got the brand new 1604 open, Anderson Loop, so that's nice. So there's a look at this property, 11726 Indian Camp, located out off between Marbach and Petrenko off Emery Peak, off of 1604. Okay, thank you for watching.